What's up guys, it's BJ the Collector here, and today I'm going to do unboxing of Sandwich Trick or Treat. So first, you have the box, side, back, other side, a little closer. Alright, so let's open up the box. This box is kind of old, I've had it for a while. I'm just going to put this here. Parts list is as follows: head, burlap head, clothes, shoulder piece, stabbing hand, bag, form vest, pull for legs, foam piece, another foam piece, and lollipop, and cord, then base, then lastly module. So, I set this up before, so we're going to start with the base. Front. Then you get onesie, so front, it's the front of the base. There's a little sticker that says front. Get this on. Oh, I set this up wrong. This pull. Here we go. Then get front of this piece. That's the back, this is the front. There. Okay. And you get the foam paddings. So you get this piece, this long piece goes for this foot. Set it up as follows. Get this piece. So then you get this top piece right here. Okay. It's like really hot in Arizona, so get this piece. Actually, not. here. Then bring this one up, as so. So it's should be looking like this. You guys can see it. So that's what he's supposed to be looking like. And there's a IR sensor right here, and there's a cord running right here. So you plug this cord in, the smallest cord. Okay. Then bring the right stabbing arm right here. This one. Oh, I wasn't supposed to put on that one yet. So you just bring this one up. Okay. So once you get that, it should be in the back now. It's been a while since I set this guy up, so I'm still figuring out. Okay. You get the stabbing arm. Put that one on. Stabbing, the one with the bag. Fix my camera up a little bit. There you go. This one in. Okay. Then put the head on. Then get his stabbing, his popsicle. You can see it, his popsicle. video that like he's stabbing people, but just for today's video, just gonna put it like right here. There you go, like so. Then get the back of the cord. Go back here. Check. Wires are connected. Then you patch up the back with the Velcro. Like so. Okay. Pick them up a little bit right here. And I don't want this thing blasting my ears, so. Three, two, one. That's Sam. There it is. I'll do another one for him. Side view. Side. And front. Alright guys, bye.